Alright, Joe Clyde at AscensionPathway.com, Evan Fain YouTube channel. Friday, February 6, 2015. Here is the Weather Channel report. Look closely. Sunny, 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 sunny all day long. Okay? Take a look at that. All the way across the board. Alright, no mention of any cloud coverage. No mention of any chemtrail activity. And here is today's forecast again, just on the daily. And it says, today sunny, no chance of rain. Clear tonight, sunny tomorrow. Keep that in mind, because we're going to go outside and show you what's going on. Alright, good morning people. Actually, it's afternoon. The skies are blue, according to the Weather Channel report. I'm looking into the northern sky, and I just want to show you something between the trees. There is part of the grid. They sprayed all last night. We saw them. Unfortunately, I do not have a night vision camera, but you can see the cloudoids back there from the chemical spraying. Got some wisps up here, broken apart from that cloudoid. Then as we pan into the east, a little above that, got some left over. Way in the back, you can see some grid work back, way back in there. So even though they said completely sunny, that's a misnomer. I mean, the skies are blue. So I pan all the way around to the western sky. Top of the mountain you got a little bit. There are some more. If I had a higher elevation, I can show you more, but I'm at a lower elevation at the present time. But for the most part, it is sunny, but there is some clouds. No jet activity yet. I have not seen any. That's kind of amazing, don't you think? That northeastern sky, you can see leftover chemtrail right in there. I don't know if they were just marking the sky or just had some left over or what, but you can clearly see the fin work in this little bomb over here. See the fin work? So, just to show you. Here we go. It's around 1:30 in the afternoon, and look at the fin work we got in the middle of our blue sky. These are not moisture clouds. These are not regular clouds. These are chemtrail wisps that have been left over from somebody flying in another place. And this has blown over in front of us. Here, get a good look. But so far, I haven't seen any active jet spraying any plume. But we already know by the fin work, that's already been documented many, many, many times. See how look at it's dispersing right in front of our eyes. Look at that. Especially this wisp here. And over here, let me back it off a bit. We got I don't know if you can see that. Let me back it off. There he is. There's a jet. One of many with no plume today. So we want to document that there's no plume. At least that we can see. Okay. He did not leave this mess here. Okay, we've been watching that. But we want to document the good with the bad. They're not spraying actively. But look how those wisps have just changed in just a few seconds. Look at that. I'm going to be back and show you exactly how that just wisps on over. Alright, this has only been about a minute. And I want to show you how that has changed. Look at that. If you had a high-speed camera and put all this together, you could see it. Look at that. That's what we call fin work. Wisps and fins. So it's just amazing why they just had to spray that little bit. It's like, why even do it? My gosh, look at that. It's all falling real fast. It's heading east. We'll be back later. See if anything else happens. All right, here's those wisps that we saw, and then over here
we got more wisps from another trail.
Here we got another one. No trail. Looks like a silver bullet with empty tanks. Alright, Joe Clyde, AscensionPathway.com, Evan Fain YouTube channel, showing the update of what happened today. It's around 3:45 in the afternoon. Weather Channel said sunny. Sunny all day. No clouds. Alright, that just goes to show you there are no real clouds here in northern Arizona. But what I will show you is this. Look back in that horizon. Alright. You can see the chemtrail. These guys snuck by. I didn't even see them. It was real covert. Alright, real covert. Let me back it up. Let me raise it up a little bit. Look at that one. See? I would have to say this is mostly sunny, not sunny. And then you got the wisps up there. Okay, then all down in there you can see, as I pan to the northern sky, look at that grid. See that? Layer after layer after layer of chemtrail. All the way across. No mention of this on the Weather Channel. Okay, look at the wisps up there already falling. As I pan more north to northwest, you see that configuration again. I don't know what that, there must be a HAARP device or something back in there, that RF frequencies that are causing this, but you can see the wisp formation. It's all chemtrail activity, all wisps, all the way across to the western sky. Okay, let me back it off. You can see the wisp here. Sun's in my eyes, so bear with me. You can see the chemtrail rainbow up in there if you look real close. Alright, you can see the haze in the mountain. See that haze? Alright, then back it off. See the chemtrail. Alright, as I pan over, you can see this chemtrail all the way across the sky. All the way across. And that's the southern sky. That's south by southeast back in there. You can see all the formation down in there. And in there you see the formation there. So again, Weather Channel wrong again. I wish they just would tell the truth. Joe Clyde, AscensionPathway.com, Evan Fain YouTube channel. It's about 5:15, close to 5:30. Just finished my workout at the rec center in Cottonwood, Arizona. I'm staring right at the western sky, and lo and behold, that looks like dispersed chemtrail. Huh? What do you think? You can see the darkness already starting to form under the bottom there. See that soot? There's the soot on the bottom. Already it's going to fall. But it's supposed to be all sunny all day. That's just the western sky. As I pan into the northern sky, same thing. Chemtrail wisps up there. Look, you can see it falling from the sky. There, look at the wisps. See that? So much for the sunny day. It was sunny, but there was no mention of this type of activity, which the people do have a right to know. As I pan up over here in the eastern sky, got a few wisps up there. See up in there? And there's a building blocking my southern view, but we'll get back to that in a little bit. And here is the southern sky. And no wisps, they're all gone. A little hazy back there, but all said and done, it was a nice day except for the lying of the chemtrails. And lo and behold, we got something going on in our sky. This is the southern sky, or the western sky. You can tell by the reflection of the sun on that chemtrail of what's actually going on. It's not very long, but you can see the wisp up here? That's all black soot. It was once white. It was then pink and orange, like what that is, like that jet stream. And now it's black. Over here, see how it's all fallen? That's the black. Over there, that was once yellowy. Then it turned to orange and pink. And now it's black. Luckily, we don't have a lot. But then again, there's so much in the air. Then as I point down into that northern sky, you can see how black that is. That was just red, pinkish, different colors. You might still see a little yellow over there, but farther away from the sun over here, it's black. See if we can get a picture of that soot falling. You can see it breaking apart on the top. It's not a lot of soot, but I don't know if they're just giving us a day off. We know they're moving the drought into the Midwest. Maybe they're protecting the tourists, the tourism here. A lot of snowbirds. Look at that trail back in there. But as I pan to that eastern sky, it's all hazy back in there. And you can see that pinkish hue on top. That's the reflection from all the soot. But anyways, not a bad day. Joe Clyde, AscensionPathway.com, Evan Fain channel on YouTube. Signing off. Friday, February 6th, 2015. Have a good evening.